I do picture.
Open. Where's my scarf? I can see. Look at this dress. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. It's an owl and flowers, and it's organic. I love it. Look how cute. That one says Daddy on it. Turn it around and look where the seam is and put your finger in there. What is that?
Hello, Daddy.
Thank you, Brandon. What is it?
None with Daddy.
It's Daddy's? Okay. No. Don't open it anymore. It's okay. Thank you. Good job. Thank you.
I'm color on my feet.
Yeah, did you color your feet? You're okay.